Hello and welcome to another VitalPBX video. My name is Joseph Montes, and today we will be looking into another fascinating AI tool we have recently added to VitalPBX. This integration allows you to have a real-time conversational AI assistant. The module currently integrates with Twilio's conversational AI media streaming feature. We plan on integrating more providers in the future as this becomes more available with more services. Now, let me show you how this module works. Our requirements are as follows. We will need an OpenAI account with an OpenAI API key, a Twilio account, a Twilio phone number with voice capabilities, our AI Assistant add-on module, a call center, Carrier Plus, or VitalPBX 1 license, an FQDN or public IP address. First, we will need to make sure that we have the AI Assistant's add-on module installed on our VitalPBX installation. For this, we will go to Admin, Add-ons, and then Add-ons. Here, we will scroll to the AI Assistant's add-on module and click on the Install button if you haven't already. You can then refresh your browser. Once we have the add-on installed, we will need to enter our OpenAI API key so we can use it with our conversational AI assistant. For this, we can go to the following URL. Make sure that you log in with your OpenAI account or create a new one. Here, we can click on Create New Secret Key. Give it a name, select a project, and we will give it all permissions. Then, click on Create Secret Key. We will then need to copy and secure this key. For more detailed information on creating an OpenAI account and generating your OpenAI API key, you can read this article we created about this subject. With your key, we can go back to your VitalPBX installation and go to Apps, AI Assistants, and then API Keys. Here, enter a description for your key and paste your OpenAI API key. With the OpenAI integration done on your VitalPBX installation, we can now go to Apps, AI Assistants, and then Conversational AI. Here is where we can configure the Conversational AI Assistant. As mentioned earlier, at this moment, we only support Twilio as the media stream provider, but are planning to add more as more providers become available. Here, we will need to add a description to identify this assistant. Then, select the GPT model you wish to use. You can choose the OpenAI voice that you find suits your needs the best. And then, select the API key we created earlier. Now, the most important part for configuration here is the assistant instructions. This is how your AI assistant will behave and the type of answers it will provide. It is important that you make this as detailed as possible with the exact way your AI assistant must behave. Differently to how the regular AI assistants behave on VitalPBX, conversational AI assistants do not support documents to be uploaded. So any specific information you wish your conversational AI assistant to handle, you must include it in the assistant instructions. So any specific questions, information, or any other data must be included. Now, with the assistant instructions filled, we can go ahead and click on Save in the lower right-hand corner. We can go back to the conversational AI assistant by clicking the hamburger list icon in the upper right-hand corner and click the conversational AI assistant we just created. You will now see that we have a webhook URL that we can copy. This will be important for the next step. This is why your VitalPBX installation needs to have a public IP address or an FQDN, or fully qualified domain name. Next, we must go to our Twilio console. To access the console, you can log in using your Twilio account or create a new one. Here, we can purchase a new number or use a phone number we have already purchased to use to access our conversational AI assistant. So, make sure you have enough credits to purchase a number and place a call to the number. Once we have purchased the number, we can go ahead and configure it. We can go to Phone Numbers, Manage, and then Active Numbers in the navigation menu to the left. Here, click on the phone number you wish to use. Under the Configure tab, go to Voice Configuration and make sure that on the Configure With option, you select the Webhook, PML, Bin, Function, Studio Flow, Proxy Service option. In the A Call Comes In option, select Webhook, and on the URL field, paste the URL from your conversational AI assistant we configured on your VitalPBX installation. Then, scroll to the bottom and click on the Save Configuration button. With all of this set, you can now place a call to the Twilio phone number you purchased. This will connect you directly with your conversational AI assistant, and you can start conversing with the assistant in real time.
Please wait while we connect your call to the AI voice assistant. Okay, you can start talking.
Hello, how are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. How can I assist you today?
Yes, I would like to know what is VitalPBX?
VitalPBX is a unified communications and PBX server software. It's a self-hosted solution that you can install on dedicated hardware, virtual machines, or through a VPS service provider.
Yeah, and what is the pricing options?
VitalPBX offers the VitalPBX One plan, where you pay based on the number of extensions you need. This plan includes every commercial feature. For detailed pricing, please refer to our website.
Yes, and what are the support options that you have?
For support, you can open a ticket using your license key for your subscription. Additionally, you can purchase a professional support package for remote assistance. This allows you to arrange a remote session with a support engineer.
Thank you. That is all.
You're welcome. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.
And that's it. You now have a conversational AI assistant configured, and you can now have real-time conversations. It is important to note that the advantage of the conversational AI assistant is the speed with which it responds to your questions or comments. But differently from our regular AI assistants, it cannot route calls to other destinations, review documents to upload, or end the call. So conversational AI assistants are fully dependent on the assistant instructions you enter. More functionality may be added as the feature evolves, and new options that OpenAI and other providers may offer. I know some of you may be wondering if the conversational AI can run internally on your VitalPBX server instead of using a provider for the media stream. This is something we have tested, but you would require a very powerful server as many audio files are generated for the conversational AI responses. So, as a first step, we will be using services such as Twilio for the media stream, and more will come in the future. I hope that you enjoyed this video and learned about a neat tool that you can add with your VitalPBX installation. Here is another video you might enjoy where we talk about more VitalPBX features.